Hello guys, as usual, the kitchen is open by the GM twins. Stay tuned. And when it rains on your parade, look up rather than down. Without the rain, there will be no rainbow. So never lose hope. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make the most simplest homemade 4-layer cake. And the first step, as usual, is to wash your hands. Pour 3 cups of flour in a bowl, add a pinch of salt, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and sieve it as usual. So mix that together. And sieve it. So the second step, in a separate bowl, add 1 cup of butter, 1½ cup of sugar, and mix together until it's light and fluffy. And don't forget, you could either mix with your hands or an electric mixer, but this time around I'm using a fork to mix it.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
Pour that in. Mix that thoroughly. So the third step, to add 2 eggs to the mixture, and as usual mix together thoroughly. There we go. So mix that thoroughly, So essential, guys. So the next step is to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it together. So beautiful, look at the color. So the next step is to add 2 cups of milk, pour it in and mix. Next step, each time the front part as the other side. Mix the wet mixture with the flat mixture. Everything is coming together, so I love this part. Mix together thoroughly with your hands, your beautiful fingers, or with an electric mixer. Very important. It's coming together. I'm loving this. So the next step is to bring up the pan, grease with melted butter for easy removal. And the next step is to pour in the mixture and place in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Yours could be 35 to 40 minutes depending on your kind of oven. So I advise you to know your oven. Yeah, this is very important. Know your oven, like I do mine. And I hope y'all enjoying this video. Look at that. Bacon is on hot. Yeah, it can't be denied. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're loving this. Thank you. So after 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Bring it out and trim off the top, the sides, and the back as well. Yeah, and divide into equal parts because you're gonna lay it on each other. So divide it in such a way that it doesn't fall. Yeah. So an icing sugar is gonna be needed for this. And yeah, according to this instruction, if you need a thicker icing sugar, add more powdered sugar. Yeah, apply a sugar syrup before the icing sugar. Actually, sugar syrup is made by boiling about half cup of sugar and half cup of water. Which I eat, then it turns brown and you have the sugar syrup. It's that simple. So I love pouring in my icing sugar. I don't like it like thick. Yeah, it's your choice. I love it. I feel like you put the flavor in, so it's gonna like enter in, like it's gonna be yummy. So that's why I love this. So you can make yours with butter, with other means. Yeah. So do this to the rest of the cake. Oh, beautiful. That's why I love pouring it in. Yeah, that's the second layer. Yeah, I'm adding some melted chocolate chips, yeah. So pour that in the third layer, just like that. Look at it. It's like you could eat it all right now, but you have to be patient. Yeah, and we did it as usual. Yeah, and let us check out the beautiful pictures and videos gotten from this video. So this was the beginning when we're still trying to put it together. Don't forget, this is an homemade kind of cake, so you don't have to cover the body with icing sugar, but you know what, it's your choice, yeah. So this is the simplest way to make a 4-layer cake if you just want to eat classy, even when you're at home, yeah. You could easily just do this. And you could ask questions as well, and always available. Look at that drape. Loving this. Yay. So the beautiful pictures taken. And yes, new videos were posted on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so watch it for that. And this cake is a 7 for 6, yeah, or more, depending on how you divided it. So don't forget to click on the notification bell. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and have an helpful day, guys. Love you from the GM Twins.